Our minds and bodies are deeply connected, intertwined in ways we often overlook. What affects one inevitably affects the other, creating a ripple effect throughout our entire being. When we feel stressed, anxious, or down, our bodies manifest these emotions physically. We might get headaches, stomach aches, or have trouble sleeping as our bodies react to our mental state. On the other hand, when we take care of our physical health through exercise and proper nutrition, our mental health reaps the benefits too. We feel better, have more energy, and can think more clearly, making it easier to tackle daily challenges. Understanding this connection is crucial for our overall well-being, as it empowers us to take a holistic approach to health. Taking care of our mental health isn't just about feeling happy all the time. It's about maintaining balance and finding peace within ourselves. It's about learning to cope with challenges, building resilience, and living a meaningful life filled with purpose and joy. By nurturing both our minds and bodies, we create a strong foundation for a healthier, happier life, one where we can thrive and flourish in all aspects.
Mindfulness is about paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about being fully present and engaged with whatever we're doing at the moment. It's like training our minds to be more aware of our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting carried away by them. This awareness helps us to respond to situations more thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. Meditation is a powerful mindfulness practice. It allows us to create a space of calm and clarity in our busy lives. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Consistency is key, and over time, these small moments of mindfulness can lead to significant changes in our overall well-being. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. This simple act can help ground you and bring your attention back to the present moment. Notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. Feel the air entering your lungs and then leaving your body. When your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. This gentle redirection is a core part of the practice. Don't judge yourself for getting distracted. It's normal. Each time you bring your focus back, you're strengthening your mindfulness muscle. Mindfulness is a practice, and like any skill, it takes time and patience to develop. With regular practice, you'll find it easier to stay present and calm, even in challenging situations.
Stress is a normal part of life, but too much stress can take a toll on our mental and physical health. It can affect our mood, our productivity, and even our relationships. Recognizing the signs of stress early can help us take steps to manage it before it becomes overwhelming. Learning to manage stress effectively is essential for our well-being. Incorporating stress management techniques into our daily routine can make a significant difference. Simple practices can help us stay balanced and maintain a sense of calm. Deep breathing exercises are a simple yet powerful way to calm down quickly. They can be done anywhere, at any time, and require no special equipment. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air. Feel your chest and abdomen expand as you breathe in. Hold your breath for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension as you breathe out, feeling a sense of relaxation wash over you. Other helpful techniques include progressive muscle relaxation, where you tense and release different muscle groups. This method helps to reduce physical tension and promote a state of relaxation. Visualization, where you imagine yourself in a peaceful and relaxing setting, can also be very effective. Picture yourself in a serene environment, such as a beach or a forest, and let your mind transport you there.
Section 4. Moving your body, lifting your mood. Exercise has incredible benefits for both our physical and mental health. When we engage in physical activity, our brains release endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, swimming, dancing, or something else. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Exercise not only reduces stress and anxiety, but also improves sleep, boosts self-esteem, and enhances cognitive function. It's a natural and effective way to improve our overall well-being.
Section 5. A holistic approach to wellness. True wellness involves taking care of both our minds and bodies. By embracing mindfulness, managing stress effectively, and engaging in regular physical activity, we can cultivate a healthier and more fulfilling life. Remember that small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating one or two of these practices into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Your well-being is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the ride.